If your furnace turns on, shuts off, then repeats this cycle, you're likely dealing with short cycling. In most cases, this happens when a safety switch trips or begins to fail. In this video, I'll quickly walk you through the most common reasons a gas furnace keeps turning off, and what you can do to fix it. To troubleshoot short cycling properly, we'll look at 3 situations. First, when the furnace shuts off before ignition. Second, when it ignites but the flame won't stay lit. And third, when it ignites and blows warm air but shuts off after a minute. Modern furnaces use multiple safety switches to shut the system down when something isn't safe. These include the pressure switch, flame sensor, flame rollout switch, and limit switch. When one of these trips, the furnace may try to restart several times before going into a temporary lockout. Many units use flashing LED codes to show what caused the shutdown, so always check your furnace manual. Before troubleshooting anything, always turn off power and gas to the furnace for safety. If the draft inducer fan runs but the burners never light, the pressure switch is often the problem. The inducer fan clears exhaust gases so ignition can happen safely. If proper pressure isn't detected, the pressure switch stays open and prevents ignition. Check for blockages in the flue vent, inducer motor port, or pressure switch tubing. Water or debris in the tubing can also cause issues. If airflow is clear, the pressure switch itself may be faulty. Another possibility is a failed igniter. You can test it for continuity with a multimeter. No continuity means the igniter needs to be replaced. Next, if the burners light briefly and then shut off, the flame sensor is usually the cause. The flame sensor confirms that a flame is present. If it doesn't detect one within a few seconds, the furnace shuts down. A dirty flame sensor can cause this even when the flame is visible. Remove the sensor and clean it gently with a soft abrasive pad. If the problem continues, replace the flame sensor. Finally, if your furnace ignites and blows warm air but shuts down before heating the house, airflow or overheating is likely the issue. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow and cause the system to overheat, triggering the limit switch. This is why filters should be replaced every 3 to 6 months. If replacing the filter doesn't help, test the limit switch for continuity. Even if it tests fine, a failing limit switch may shut the furnace off at lower temperatures and should be replaced. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe for more furnace troubleshooting tips.